We installed this Premier Douglas bedding cage in Laurel Hollow, New York. We installed the home plate mat as a surface mounted. This could be moved around based on the player. The mat is in a red maroon color, and home plate and stripes are inserted with the white turf. The rest of the field of the bedding cage, we use polyethylene potting green synthetic turf and wrapped around the sides of the bedding cage. Bedding cage comes with 6 columns made out of 4-inch posts installed in 24 by 24 by 36 inches footings, and the netting is some custom netting, 14 feet wide by 12 foot high by 55 feet long. In the center of the bedding cage, we inserted a custom New York Yankee logos that we cut out of white synthetic turf. We also supplied a pitching machine with the protective netting. These are very beautiful bedding cages. There are 3 steel cable running the whole length of the bedding cage, and the netting hangs off of it. The bedding cage was landscape all the way around. This is the latest. Bedding cage built by Gapsy. Laurel Hollow, New York.